Have you been searching for outerwear alterations information like zipper replacement and resizing so your coat hugs you, but can't find that info quickly, easily, and completely? I've got it all for you right here, right now. Easy access, all in one place. Where is that nice, warm, and cozy place? I'll show you where right now. I mean, what if you could get 7 demo videos and be skipping off to your sewing machine right now? What if you could get 2 demo videos about zipper replacement and how to wrestle in a new one after taking out the busted one, plus 2 more demo videos about zippers like in leather jackets and snowmobile suits? Yeah, I've got all the zipper replacement action for you. And how about 1 demo video all about how to slim fit or let out coat midsection so they hug you for warmth and look good at the same time? Also a video about re-hemming coats, and finally 1 demo video all about relining an entire coat. Just thinking about all that learning opportunity warms you up, right? And what if the price of this collection was the unbelievably low price listed in the description below? Go ahead, take a look and see for yourself right now how I've generously kept your budget in mind yet provided you with everything I have to offer as regards outerwear alterations. That's right, it's all outerwear anytime for you when you click to the purchase page and get instant access to 7 lengthy videos with step-by-step instructions in exact order. Now's the time, my friends, to get your outerwear wardrobe zipped up to super warm perfection. Not only that, you could take this collection and run with it in your own home-based alterations business. Where else but on this Alterations by Phyllis YouTube channel dedicated largely to 100+ clothing alterations videos would you find such a sweet deal? Nowhere else, because it's only here where you can find your outerwear alterations fit problems solved. Now go click the link in the description below and get your own set right here, right now, as fast as and sooner than the music on this video concludes.